वारिस भाई, आपने मुझे पूछा व्हाट इज हेट स्पीच। मैंने तो कहा कि कोर्ट ने, उदयनिधि स्टालिन ने जो कहा उसको हेट स्पीच की कैटेगरी में रखा। पर यदि आपने जो बयान दिया है वो हेट स्पीच की कैटेगरी में, तो बता दीजिए कि एक व्यक्ति ने कहा था 15 मिनट पुलिस हटा दो, हम दिखा देंगे इनको इनकी औकात। इसको आप क्या मानते हैं? और उसी श्रेणी में इसको रखिए आप। अब दूसरी बात, अरे भाई मैंने आपके बीच में नहीं बोला। वारिस जी मैंने आपके बीच में नहीं बोला। वारिस जी मैंने आपके बीच में नहीं बोला।
लेट्स नॉट टॉक ओवर ईच अदर। मैं आऊंगा फिर आपसे।
मैंने आपके बीच में कतई नहीं बोला। अच्छा वारिस जी, आपने क्योंकि हेट स्पीच की बात की है तो मैं आपको एक स्टेटमेंट पढ़कर सुनाता हूं और आप बता दीजिए। माय रिलीजन इज द ओनली रिलीजन व्हिच इज द करेक्ट रिलीजन एंड ऑल अदर रिलीजन्स आर रॉन्ग रिलीजन्स एंड दे हैव नो राइट टू प्रैक्टिस इट। डू यू कंसीडर दिस एज हेट स्पीच? एंड नाउ विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आपने मुझे पूछा कि राम जन्मभूमि पर क्यों नहीं गए आप? आपको मोदी जी ले गए। मोदी जी का काम नहीं था हमें ले जाने का। इस देश में 100 करोड़ हिंदू है, 8,000 लोगों को ट्रस्ट ने इनविटेशन दिया। मुझे बड़ा सौभाग्य है कि मुझे तो वहां पर जाने का मौका मिलेगा, पर जिनको इनविटेशन मिला अर्थात आपके नेतागण, वो क्यों नहीं गए? राहुल गांधी के माताजी को इनविटेशन मिला, वो क्यों नहीं गई? इसका मतलब कि न्योता होने के बावजूद, अवसर होने के बावजूद भी यदि वो नहीं जाते हैं, मतलब कि वो राम जी में अपनी आस्था नहीं रखते। अभी भी उनकी आस्था का केंद्र कहीं और है।
बीजेपी एंड द प्राइम मिनिस्टर 2024 के इलेक्शन का डिक्लेरेशन।
होल्ड ऑन विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी, रुक जाइए सर, रुक जाइए, हो गया। It's a fact that Sitaram Yechuri declined the invitation is a fact. Now, Ishtaran.
Why did he not answer?
Now,
to my
Ishtaran,
question?
you've heard.
Yes.
Manish asking why is he not answering to my question?
I answered your question.
जब बात का जवाब ही नहीं दिया।
No, he answered your question. He's saying that if what you said is hate speech, then he's without naming Akbaruddin Owaisi. He says he had made a similar comment.
बोलो उनको अरेस्ट करो। उनके लिए अरेस्ट हो गए। He was arrested for that. He was sent to jail for 45 days. He fought the case for 12 years.
अच्छा, so then what Udayanidhi Stalin has said about Sanatan is hate speech, ना? कोर्ट ने बोला है।
This hate speech.
उदयनिधि ने जो बोला है, that is hate speech, according to you.
Now allow me. When will they be arrested?
No, I am asking you a question now. I can also ask. Just because I'm Pasmanda doesn't mean I can't ask. Just because I'm Pasmanda doesn't mean I can't ask Pathan. No, I'm asking Pathan साहब. Pathan साहब. अरे पठान साहब, पसमानदा की सुन लो।
I am not a spokesperson of allow.
अरे पठान साहब, इतना क्या
पासवानदा, आप यहाँ पे आके पासवानदा बन जाते हो।
इतना क्या अहंकार, ऊंचे वर्ग से होने का इतना क्या अहंकार? अरे कर्पूरी जी को भी मानो। मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, पसमानदा की
चैनल पे आया,
आपने सुना नहीं 85%।
बीजेपी के हेडक्वार्टर में गया, सनातनी हिंदू क्या है ये?
अच्छा ठीक है, ओके, नाउ लेट्स एड्रेस द इशू। ओके शहजाद वारिस भाई, ओके, होल्ड योर फायर्स। ओके इश्तरन, look what's happening in West Bengal. The kafir comment by Mamata Banerjee, you know, her turning down the invitation for Pran Pratishtha, Rahul Gandhi, you know, taking out a yatra, and the charge is that it was mostly in areas that are a greater Muslim population. The fight for Muslim votes ahead of 2024 is on. How are you seeing this?
Pranesh, there are two aspects to Rahul Gandhi's yatra. One is what is the vote bank he is targeting in this yatra, and I think he has the full freedom to target whatever vote bank he thinks is his vote bank. And why has that started today? You see the AMU case going on in Supreme Court. The Supreme Court in 1967 says AMU cannot be a minority institution because it's centrally funded. What does the Congress do? It amends the act to give it the minority status. Shah Bano, the Supreme Court says a Muslim woman should have maintenance. What does the Congress do? Overturn the Supreme Court. So this is going on since 80s. Some people will say this is going on since 1947. But 80s, two laws where two Supreme Court constitution judgments were overturned are in place of us and which are happening in front of us. Then the Prime Minister may say that minorities have the first right on resources, or they may bring special acts like the Waqf Act and strengthen those acts. That is Congress wanting to address a vote bank, and they are fully entitled to it. The choice is with the population of India, whom do they vote for? So I, for one, do not think there is anything wrong in Congress or in Rahul Gandhi taking out his yatra in Assam in selected areas. It is fully his constitutional right to address a vote bank he wants or believes will give him 90% vote, and that is why probably Mr. Waris Pathan has a problem with Congress not speaking up, and that is for them to decide. Now the other aspect, which is the bigger aspect, Bharat Jodo Yatra. The question is, by the time this yatra finishes, forget Bharat Jodo. Bharat is already won. It is not टूटा हुआ. But will Congress remain जुड़ा हुआ? Will the Indie Alliance remain जुड़ा हुआ? The day this yatra started from Mumbai, a 55-year-old family association with Congress, Mr. Milind Deora leaves the Congress. Earlier photos of Congress's kitchen cabinet, or rather Rahul Gandhi's kitchen cabinet, his people he promoted the most, everybody felt with time that Congress is not the fit party to stay,
Right.
and went into various parties. In the alliance, we have had Mamata Banerjee shutting the door on Congress. Today, the news is speculating whether Nitish Kumar will remain with Congress or not, whether the Congress members will remain with Congress or not. Mr. Jagdish Shettar, who became an MLC
Right,
from Congress,
right.
has come back to BJP. So I think the yatra is Bharat Jodo, but he should focus on Congress Jodo. He should focus on Indie Alliance Jodo, because that alliance is going, that alliance will not remain in place by the time the election comes, and that is the biggest vote of no confidence, that forget the people, your own alliance is not willing to fight elections with you.
Okay, but Waris Bhai thinks that Congress has betrayed Muslims all these years. Let's put that to Artha Kumar Nag. Mr. Nag, what do you make of Himanta's comment about Rahul's Nyaya Yatra?
Well, I believe that Hemanta's comment is very natural, because we do not have much expectation from Hemanta Vishwas or any BJP leader making any comment which will either be constitutional or sensible or secular. They are supposed to target particular religion, because their basic politics nowadays have been turned out more so focusing on religion, and day by day they are forgetting their party's own constitution. I would like to remind the viewers and everybody present here that Bharatiya Janata Party's constitution, under Article 3 of the party's constitution, says that the party should be secular,
Okay.
the party should not go ahead and take sides of any religion.
Great.
But they have suddenly become pravaktas
Mr.
of a
Nag,
particular
it's interesting
religion,
that you're talking
pravaktas
about,
of a
it's
particular god
interesting
in
that
the
you're talking
religion.
about
This
secularism.
perhaps is
Allow me
not-
to quote something, sir. You know, this might sound familiar to you. And if you can't figure out who said it, I
are
will tell
talking
you the
about
name
Kafir
also.
comment. I
Here
will,
is-
I will take that on. You are talking about the Kafir comment, I believe.
The battle has begun. We will fight the battle. Only
Are you
Kafirs and
referring to the Kafir
Kapus are
comment?
scared to fight, and the one who fights back wins.
Yeah. Just pick up the phone and Google Kafir. You will see that Kafir has a lot of meaning. Kafir means somebody who is a disbeliever, somebody who is a denier. And I must tell you that anybody who denies and disbelieves the Constitution of India is a
Okay.
Kafir. And that has nothing to do with the religion, I would like
Then
to say.
what's problem
The
with- no,
word
what is the
Kafir
problem
means
in
somebody
Mia
who is
Yatra
a
then?
denier or a disbeliever. And anyone who believes that who
Mr. Nag,
disbelieves
then answer the question,
Constitution
what
of
is the
India
problem
is
in
a
Mia
kafir
Yatra?
in present democratic constitution. I did not get you.
What is the problem with Mia Yatra, the usage? Mia by Himanta Biswa Sarma. If Kafir is okay.
The word. Please go ahead and search for the word Mia. The word Mia means it is referred to the Muslims who had traveled, who had been in the loss of their lives when there was violence on them in Bangladesh, erstwhile East Pakistan, and had taken shelter.
So you're
to
saying it
Assam.
is used as a
very
pejorative,
shameful
Shehzad.
act that India, which has never shied away from taking responsibilities.
Ishtaran coming to you. Let Shehzad answer. I'll come to you.
I'll just take 30 seconds to answer Mr. Nag. Mr. Nag, what would you say to those who arrest people for saying Jai Shri Ram, those who change the name of Ram Dhenu to Rang Dhenu, those who do not allow Durga Pujo Visarjan and they give permission to Tazia, and then the High Court has to intervene, those who say Ram Navami violence was not done by Muslims because Muslims during Ramzan do not break the law, those who then go and say that Muslims are Dudaru Gai. There's no different interpretation of this. Muslims are milch cows. They will sometimes kick you, but you have to take it because you need their votes. And then Udayanidhi Stalin says Sanatan ka extermination. There is no if and but about that. And secondly, about targeting Muslims. Delhi 3,000 Muslims killed. Under whose tenure? Moradabad 1,500, Jalgaon 100, Ahmedabad 512, Delhi 3,000 Sikhs killed, Bhiwandi 146, Hyderabad 365. All during Congress tenure. In Mumbai, more than 1,000 Muslims. So please tell me that is Nyay going to be sought by Congress party for these Muslims?
No,
Or Mr. Sanjay Jha will only come and give us lecture, and Mr. Waris Pathan will willy-nilly support Congress. Today I am shocked that Mr. Waris Pathan is supporting Congress.